whole song. You can tell me when it is, right?
Alright.
Ready? My baby's fine. Always keeps me guessing. If I were a bird, baby, I would ring. Tell the whole world that you are my everything.
Tell him, Crystal.
Cause baby, you're the only one for me, and I love you for that. I have no idea. Am I supposed to sing? Am I supposed to sing? I love you. What? And that's why you may think it's funny, even when I am asleep. But who are you to say what he does when I'm not around? I can't get it down on the west side. Walk with my hands on the east side. Down, darkness, man on the corner. Who's that then? Out like the horn. What do you want me to say? I really don't know. I don't know much music, though, so I'm probably not the best person to ask. It's very good, though. Yeah, I just made it up. All right. Let me hear it again.
I have no idea.
Okay. What? I have no idea.
Okay, thanks.
You can tell the world you never was my girl. I am just a country star. If I was a guy, I had no more world. You would go and take me far. If you break my heart, make it break your heart. I just don't think you'd understand. And if you break my heart, my achy breaky heart, I just might go and hug this man. Everyone's my girl. I burn my clothes up when I'm gone. You can tell your friend, just put out in the bed, and I won't laugh at joking on the phone. You can tell my arms not to hit the floor. You can tell my feet to hit the floor. Or you can tell my lips to tell my fingertips they won't be reaching for you no more. But don't you tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, I just don't think you'd understand. And if you tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, I just might go get hocus man. You can tell your mom I moved to Arkansas. You can tell your dog to bite my leg. Or you can tell your brother Cliff, this fish can tell my leg, who never really loved me anyway. Or you can tell your Aunt Louise to tell anything you please. Myself already knows I'm not okay. Or you can tell my eyes to watch out for my mind. I might be walking out on me today. But don't you tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, I just don't think you'd understand. And if you tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, I just might go and hug this man.